Hello, hello. It's John Lee with Dashboard Dudes. Hey, I wanted to discuss something. I wanted to talk about the difference between a drill down and a card interaction. It seems like some people don't know about this, so I wanted to enlighten you. All right, let's talk about drill downs first. Now, in Domo, drill downs are amazing because they save some real estate on the dashboard. They allow you to go click into things and see it. Here's how a drill down usually works. If I click on any one of these colors or something in a card, it's just going to cause a filter at the top. Like this, I click this pink thing, and there I go. I see some filter at the top, and I don't want that, right? How the drill down works is I have to first open up and expand this card. And once I expand it, what I can then do is I can click into something and then it'll bring me to another version of this card, something that I have in my drone. So here we have a scatter plot and I have these filters at the top that I could then remove. I can remove the date, I can remove this company A thing if I wanted to. And look, I have a whole new chart here that shows me a different view by country name that starts with an A, whatever. Right? That's one way to do it, but you have to expand and you have to do all this stuff. If we wanted to edit that drill path, we have to go to this little wrench and go to edit drill path. And here is where we can add new versions of the card as they apply more filters throughout the time. And that's totally fine. But there's another way if you're just looking to link to a different type of card that you want to see. Instead of doing the drill path, what I can do is I can hit this big wrench right here in the top, hit edit dashboard. And if I hover over, I can say change interaction, edit content, change interaction. I click change interaction and I can say open any content. And here I can pick a new chart that I want to show instead. So if I already have one, like I don't know, this one, or just here by company last 12 months, say save, and I'm going to open into a new tab and say save again. Now what you did is you make this clickable. So you can see I hover over it, it tells me what's going to happen. I don't have to expand it. If I click it, brought to a whole new chart, like Aladdin, whole new world, whole new chart. That's the data version of that song. Anyway, I'm brought here instead, and I don't have to have any filters or do whatever. You could keep doing that. You could just keep adding those links. Anyway, if you want to learn more about this, I happen to have this in my course. If you go to Domo 401, I have it right here after learning how to use alerts. We go over drill downs, card interactions. There's a bunch of other things in here, like how to use segments and variables, how to make pho, if you want to learn how to make pho. But anyway, that's there for you. I hope it helps. I hope you learn something new and you think about how you can use it with your Domo. All right, talk to you later.